Good morning, everybody. There is a respected dibia that I came across a post yesterday or so, and he said, if your father gave birth to a daughter and he did not marry the mother of that girl, then the same man married another woman and gave birth to a son, that the both children can have sexual intercourse, that it is normal, that it is traditional, that what matters, that can make two siblings is marriage, if the man paid the dowry of the two women that had the two children. And I begin to wonder, how did we get here? How can an abomination now be a normal thing? Why? Now, I got the reason why mmadụ ga-eji wee nọlụ ịnọgide n'ikuku out bullshit. Post onye on social media. This social media, I not here to win souls back to African spirituality, to enlighten Africans, ndị Igbo, especially ndị Igbo, to come back to their roots. And truth is all that they need to hear about their tradition that was almost going into extinction. What are people thinking? You people are so gullible about money. You all want to be rich overnight. Hey. Isi na ụmụ nwanne na-abọ ofu nwoke tolu imefa because na the nwoke akwụrụ ụgwọ isi nwaanyị nke na kwụọ ụgwọ isi the other woman, that the two children can have intercourse. That not so far na the man and the two women, that they have nothing to, they are not siblings, that they can have sex. No, what do you get, man? Edibia, you made this post and posted it. Now I'm talking to your followers. If you are his follower, please, that teaching is wrong. Yes. What the ancestors read is bloodline. Bloodline is what Ordinana sees, not marriage. Marriage can scatter today, but bloodline can never be broken. So if you are a man and you watch that post, listen to me. If you have children outside your matrimonial home, let your children in your matrimonial home know about them. Bring them, introduce them, and tell them that they cannot have sex. That is an abomination. Obun Sala. In Igbo land, where I come from, you cannot even have sex with your family. Talk more of the one that one father gave birth to. That man gave birth to those two children from his own loins. They can never have sex. It can never happen. It is never approved in an Asia country. Even in that Asia country, some of them the country name is such thing. What counts is bloodline. When deities want to come into a family, they look for bloodline. Anywhere Balawan connect. This thing you people are doing on social media is the reason why Ordinary Igbo is going down. Ne spirituality in the Yoruba is flying all over the world. Yoruba tradition is everywhere. Ndi Igbo dibias. And some of you will say that woman may feel it too much.